When Stephen connected with the Career Foundation, he knew it was time to take action and was referred to WorkSafe training as the next step. His original plan? Just get trained and certified on the basic forklift, the counterbalance. But once he saw that WorkSafe offers training on 5 different types of forklifts, he upgraded his game on the spot. One of those lift trucks, the aerial lift, was a game changer. It's the reason he had to pass up job offers before. Now, he's fully certified and ready to say yes to opportunities. With his new skills and certifications, Stephen's confidence is higher than ever and job prospects are through the roof. As Stephen said, if you're serious about getting certified and getting hired, I recommend WorkSafe training is where you should start. Are you ready to take the first step? Visit us online or call now. WorkSafe Training, your leaders in forklift training.